Hi, this is Andy Mendelson, EVP of Database Server Technologies at Oracle, and I'm going to talk to you today about some breakthrough innovations we've been coming out with the Oracle Database. Today we're announcing Oracle Database 21C. This is the latest version of the Oracle Database. It's what we call an innovation release. We're doing new innovations focused on developers and architects, analysts and data scientists, and also our traditional DBA ops users as well. Okay, let me first explain to you what we mean by the term Converged Database. So you all have your smartphones. And you remember, 10 years ago, before smartphones, you used to have a whole set of different devices that did dumb phones. They did messaging. They took pictures and videos, etc. And the smartphone won because it converged all those different devices into one device that we now know and love called the smartphone. And it won because it's much more productive for you as a consumer to use that one device. The notion of converged database is exactly the same. We are converging lots of different database technologies that are heretofore had been in separate databases now into one single database that we call Converged Database. And the reason it's going to win is for the same reason. It's going to make developers and analysts much more productive to have just one database that lets them manage all their data, any workload, and just makes them in general much more productive because they can use industry standard SQL against all their data with all their workloads, the same dialect of SQL everywhere. And it's always good to compare what we're doing with what the other guys are doing. And Amazon and a bunch of other niche vendors are going down this other path where they're saying, no, you can't have the best database for a given workload if it's trying to do everything at once. You need a specialized database. And so like in Amazon, they have over a dozen different database services for doing all kinds of different workloads. They have Aurora for their transactional workloads, and they have Redshift for analytics, and they have DynamoDB and JSON document stores, et cetera, et cetera. And what we are doing is basically saying, we can do all those workloads better than them in one place. And so if you're a developer, why would you want to use 5 different databases to have to build your application when you can just do one? You have 5 databases. You have to fragment your data across those databases. It's impossible to run transactions against them. It's impossible to do disaster recovery. Security is all screwed up because now security is the security of the least secure of your 5 databases, et cetera, et cetera. So our strategy is give developers and analysts one converged database that has all their data. So just in summary, 21C has a whole bunch of new innovations. We've done a lot of work to continue down the path of making sure we have the world's best converged database. We've been improving JSON data types, graph technologies. We've added blockchain to support more kinds of data. We continue to support any kind of workload. We've done enhancements to in-memory, multi-tenant, again, JSON and graph to support more specialized workloads. We've continued to make the product more productive, things like JavaScript execution in the database. AutoML makes your analysts and developers much more productive in building machine learning models. SQL macros, again, make your SQL developers more productive. And we continue to work in the enterprise class space as well. And with that, I invite you all to go to our cloud today, and you can use Oracle Database 21C with the Autonomous Database free tier. You can use it today with our database cloud services on the VMs and bare metal. And we will be rolling 21C out across all our other cloud services and our on-prem platforms, Linux, Windows, Exadatas, database appliances, later in calendar year 2021. The big new thing we're announcing today is what we call Oracle Apex Application Development Service. It is a low-code development environment and deployment environment for data-driven applications or database-intensive workloads, okay? It's a feature of every Oracle database running on-prem today, every Oracle database on a cloud. It's there. And it is a very interesting environment. It's something that lets you declaratively build your applications without coding. And it's something we've been working on now for well over 10 years. It's a very mature low-code tool. It's not like I know a lot of people are now coming out to market with low-code tools. This one is really mature, really powerful. You can build applications 20 to 40 times faster than traditional coding. Okay, 20 to 40 times faster. That's really big. Virtually any application you want to build in your organization can now be built with Apex. There's no need to use traditional coding. In fact, traditional coding should now be the exception, not the rule, about how you build applications. This is a really, really powerful environment. Any kind of developer can use it. You don't have to be a professional developer anymore to build powerful applications using Apex. You can be what we call a citizen developer, somebody who part-time is doing some coding, a line of business. You can be a data analyst who wants to analyze their data, but again, doesn't want to write a lot of code. This is a great environment for you to build your applications. Thanks for coming. I welcome you all to come out to our public cloud and try out all the new innovations we talked about today. Database 21C innovations. We talked about our new Apex application developer service. Try that one out. Thanks.